if like you're a survivor, like you have so many things stacked in your favor, I think in general. So when you do it, you just kind of look stupid. But that could just be me. Alright. Bubba. Coming in hot. We're gonna get weird. Alright, we're just gonna run our way across. See if we can find anybody. There's somebody. Oh, he's getting the little thingy. There we go. Oh, I missed. Yep. Oh, he's good. Alright, so we're just gonna touch him lovingly. Oh, there's more people working on gens. Alright, we're going for her. See if we can get her. It's a maybe. Oh yeah. Bubba! You lumpy bastard. Alright, they were almost done this, so I'm gonna pop this if I have pop. I do. Hell yeah. Alright, and they're over there, so we're going. And we're just gonna keep running at people and chainsawing them if we can. Alright, she's next up on the list. I feel so slow. Alright, see if we can get her. Yep. Just giving them the business. There's a dwelf with his sweet and trusty flashlight trying to illuminate my path to this hook because he is so generous. I don't see anybody there. They're trying to work on this gen again. We're going to pop it. And then we're going to go back here because I feel like Dwelf is going to get her off. The hook. Nope. Alright. Alright, this person's back. Oh, we missed. She's going to go through there. Yep. Yep. Just waiting for me to rev up that chainsaw to jump back through the window, which is always exciting. Here she comes. I think we might be able to get her here somewhere. Oh, swing and a miss. She's so fast. I think she just went this way. Alright, I think they're back on that gen over there, so we're going to keep going. Oh, maybe she just ran back this way. That would be funny. Yeah, they're back on this gen. They love that shit. Oh yeah, there he is. Hi, Steven. Be my friend. Bubba's got no friends. Alright, well that was bad. Oh, I missed. Oh. I don't really care what you're gonna do with this. Come here, Steven. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna let him go, because he's injured. We're gonna go back and check on our Jenny gens. There's not a whole lot going on there. I feel like they're gonna be back on this one for some reason. Not really. Alright, so they could be on any three of those. We're just going to keep going down the line a little bit here. Yeah, there she is. Oh, yeah. And she wants it, and she loves it. Oh. So close yet so far. Now we're making the chainsaw sound, which is a glitch. That is very exciting. Alright. So we're gonna go up and we're just gonna get Steven, apparently? Oh. Oh no. Bubba's freaking out. I'm losing momentum. Hell yeah. Alright, so she's gonna be the new obsession. We're gonna hit this. Alright, so she's just running this way. See if we can get somebody coming back to this. Yep. She's getting really lucky with these pallets. Now we're back to the chainsaw thing. It's gonna be really hard to hear her. Got her. Alright. We're gonna let her get away. Pick up a stack. There she is. Yep. Got her. Alright. Is there a dwelf here to stop me? It would appear there's not. Alright, we're going to bring her over here, which is kind of far away, but it's what we got. Let's see where people are. Alright, so over at that there. So we're going to kick this one just because it's almost done and we need it to go down. And then we're going to head this way, see if anybody's going to try and get her. And then we're going to head over there. Nope. Alright. Let's keep it going. There he is. There's my fun boy. He's just gonna hit that window. Yep, which I'm fine with. He's gonna hit that window. He's gonna keep on going. And we want him to go around this way. There we go. Got him. See if we can get him again. I think there's somebody doing a gen over here, actually. Yeah. Oh, that one's already kicked, so I guess not. Alright, everybody's looking nice and healthy, but we don't care as much. Just one work, time to get weird. Hell yeah. Think I just saw a trapdoor? Ooh. Alright, they got that gen. They only got one left. Oh, here we go. Come here, dwarf. Don't you run from me, young man. Alright. So there's the dwarf trying his 360s, but I wanted it with my face, so we're good. Let's see if we can find somebody with barbecue. Oh yeah. I think that's a human over there, possibly. Oh yeah. We're coming for him. Oh yeah. It's my favorite. Oh, that was a miss. That sucked. Damn, she's so nifty. Alright, let her go for the time being. I want to go pop this before I run out of pop. Even though they could still be on another gen right now. It's still technically the smart move. Just keeping this thing going down. Alright, now we'll go check on this generator over here. It's still getting messed up. And then we got that generator all the way there. I have a feeling 2 or 3 people are on that one just getting it. So, let's hope not. I lost a lot of momentum earlier in this game. Oh yeah, you can see them all. They're all here probably. Oh yeah, you got the gen. I think we're going to capture this Steve though. Oh yeah, he wants it. Oh yeah. I don't know if Dwight is here to flashlight me. We'll see. Alright, we're going to put him on this nice faraway hook right here. Give me some time. See what we can do. It's his first hook. So we got everybody over here doing their thing. Everybody's coming over. Alright, so she's going to run away. There's trapdoor. We do see it now. There's somebody. Oh yeah, there's another. There's Dwelf. The man, the legend. I don't know if the pallet's still there. It is. He's good. Yep. Alright. Alright, we'll see where he goes. I have a feeling he's just going over here. Yep. And he's gonna run. He's gonna run for his life. He's gonna make it. He's gonna turn around and flashlight me before he goes. Alright, well, almost. I'm gonna head over here, see if anybody just runs here, and I'll just try and chainsaw someone, but, you know, stuff happens. Where you head down the last chick. Yeah, I saw the trapdoor from before. I'm sure they're all here. Oh, there's one. There he is. He's running it, as he should. I would run too. Alright. That's unfortunate. That could have been really fun. I should have just probably tagged him. See if this person leaves. I should be able to get the trapdoor now, if it opens. Yep. Extra points. Alright, well, we got it. Didn't kill anybody, sadly, but thus is life. Really good teams out here today. I was watching some other streamers play, and normally they don't come on until like 11 o'clock at night. And they're like, "We play potato people. There's a lot of potatoes." I was like, I don't see these people. It's very hard in these streets, but that's okay. I just have fun playing killer, doing all the weird stuff. Rank 1 or rank 2 in there. Kind of sad, but that's alright. We'll get there. We'll get some of them. See who we got next. We might just do some Demigurgan.